Look at the grease being thrown all over the unit. That's crazy. Horrible. That's crazy. Getting all this shit cleaned out, and then gotta fix the swamp cooler line. Get this guy up and running. I'm sure the belt's fucked. It always is. Just that's what it is. Yeah. Get this guy cleaned out. The old coil jetter. This is the best fucking thing. It sucks at $1,000, but when you're like, oh, I gotta find a hose hookup. Fuck that. That's worth $1,000 to me. I look at it. So nice. And these ones are already pretty good. Alright. Now we gotta check them. Now we gotta open up and check it. I'm like, dude, what is making this fucking noise? And usually this belt's like way more fucked than this, so that's weird. Super weird. But just like rip that shit the fuck up and off of here. Like I guess I'll go turn the switch on downstairs. Fucking Goombas. Alright. Woo! Yeah, that's black. That's that black. That shit looks pretty cool though. Looks like it says, I'm over this. Alright? I am over this. Weird. We gotta check shit on maintenances. See it? Hold on. Bam. And you can't really. Bam. And these ones, not too bad. That one can stay. But that one and that one. I'm gonna go get two contactors. Two contactors. Damn, little Chris. What's up there, little Chris? Little Crispy? Hey, you got little Crispy? Little Chris? Say, little Chris. Here on the roof, we got here little Crispy. And contact, I gotta change my mind because I'm be a little Crispy. Man, can't get it on there. What a bitch. You little bitch. Can't use my phone and fucking. Oh, now it's not gonna do it. Now it's gonna be all fucking stupid. There we go. Stupid. Two new contactors. Too old. Fuckers. Take it all apart, use the little blower, use the coil jet, blah 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 blah. Pretty simple, you know. Pretty simple stuff. Give it the old brushing caboodle. And then hit it with the old skippity pat. Dude, this thing works so fucking good. Yeah. You get the picture, right? Alright. Oh. That was super dirty. Super dirty. Surprisingly, that blower actually blows through the whole coil. Pretty impressive. Pretty impressive. Alright. Get this shit papping. Every year some shit with these swamp coolers. Good news is there's no breaks in the line on this one. I blew that one out pretty good. That one up in the mountains, fuck, dude. Fuck, pissed me off. Every year. And this is how I do this one, because this one doesn't come with a fucking spray timer in it. Yeah, so it just literally just fucking sprays. Who the fuck designed this unit? So, anyways, I put the time clock in, and it fucking, you see what's going on there. Sprays for 15, off for 15. Realistically, it needs a spray timer, but just really fucking haven't gotten around to doing it. So, I gotta get my fucking bag. Hold on. I gotta go get parts. I gotta go to Home Depot, pick up a fucking, what is that? A male and a union. I don't have no fucking union on me, that's for sure. This is gonna suck, to be honest. It's pretty shitty. So let me go run to Home Depot, because I definitely don't have a half-inch union. I got half-inch pipe and half-inch fittings, but definitely not a half-inch union. So I'll be back. And I'm back. Alright, got my parts. Shit. Cutters. Check the time clock. I'm sure it's bad. It's bad every year because it's on for 15, off for 15. See? So we'll swap out that guy too. But let me rebuild this. Hopefully this'll do it. Their fitting's a little bit different, but I don't know. It is what the fuck it is. So what are you gonna do? Let's see what we can do here. Alright, so far so good. That one there. That one there. Easy peasy. Yeah. Got ourselves a new time clock. Easy peasy. That rebuilt. Fuck that stupid valve. It's got a valve downstairs. It's retarded. It makes no sense. So there's that. So pretty much, you're just powering the timer and then just running. They just had 24 running through it. So you're just going 2 and 4. It's just 24 volts there. And then this way, when it's in cooling, it's putting the sprayers on for 15 minutes. When it's in defrost, it shuts them off for 15 minutes. Whatever, dude. I hate these units. National accounts units or something. This thing's a piece of shit. I put this unit in and have had nothing but fucking issues with it. From the blower immediately over amping, I mean, so much dumb shit. To relieve some of the pressure, I had to fucking put some holes right there. I mean, just a fucking joke. This thing's a fucking joke, but whatever. It is what it is. You gotta deal with what's in front of you, you know what I mean? So we'll turn this water on and hopefully we're good to go. Because I've cut that PVC just a skosh too fucking short. So, oh well, fuck it, what are you gonna do? I suck. Take this stupid ass thing off. I gotta go chip and Dremel that out so I can put a little bit bigger piece of pipe in here because I'm a fucking idiot. Yeah. If I would have bought another union, I would have been fucking sweet. But I didn't. Like an idiot. I'm actually buy 2, just in case I fuck one up. Look at that. He fucked one up. This will be fucking fun. If not, I'm just have to go get another fucking union. I don't want it though. Alright. This fucking thing back on. We got the green light for go ahead. Go ahead, Johnny. Luckily, there's no leaks in that. So that's good. Did something right. Just a skosh. It's like, or do I just nip this a little bit and pull it down? That sounds like the easier choice, to be honest. That sounds like much easier. Just cut this down just a skosh. This way this will drop in and everyone will be fucking, yep, that's what we're gonna do. Yeah, I just cut that down a little bit. That much better. Okay, now we gotta turn the water on, make sure there's no fucking leaks. So I just had a customer who Listen, I quoted them to install a box, a whole bunch of bullshit, right? So now they had me build the box, had another company fucking do the refrigeration work, and then they just called me and were like, hey, they're done. Can you come Monday and start it up? I'm like, what? Dude, my quote was $6,000. They quoted them $14,000, and $14,000 they're not going to start up the fucking unit. Bro, I'm doing the wrong shit. That's why I just don't give a fuck anymore. People wonder why. Like, I mean, I care to a certain extent. You know what I'm saying? But like, when customers are like that, dude, fuck, you got me fucked up. That shit is crazy weird. Yeah, I'll come start up their shit that I lost the job on, lost fucking $6,000 on. You got charged $8,000 more, and they're not gonna start up the unit, bruh. This whole world is retarded. All right. We're crazy. So anyway, I'm gonna go stop by that job because electrician, dude, this guy called me like 16 fucking times. It was like, hey man, this doesn't make sense. There's got to be interconnecting wires in the panels because that's what they're like schematic showing. I was like, schematic? What the fuck are you talking about? It's a walk-in. You put the fucking panels together, my dude. That's it. You land 120 in the J-box. The lights are fucking pre-wired in the fucking door heater. What are we doing? So I might stop over there today just to see, because people are fucking retarded. I hate fucking people. I do. Yeah. So they're fucking retarded. So, leaks. That's a good sign. Let's see. Are we getting any spraction? No. Fuck you. Wait. Oh. There we go. One little leak there. Whatever. Is what it is. Can't really glue it while it's dripping. You know what I mean? I could try. Ain't gonna work. Ain't gonna work, but you know what? Might as well at least give it the old college try. You know what I mean? Sometimes you gotta do some ghetto shit. Sometimes you just gotta do some ghetto shit. Alright, that's it for this shit. I'm gonna go stop by that other job and be like, what is going on here? You guys are fucking retarded. Anyways, I want to see who's working there too. A 1, a 2, and a 3. This will be a nice little ticket. 3 wireless thermostat kits. I got buried. They refinished this whole place, and it's like no one thought about the thermostats. I'm like, well, what's going on? They're like, well, can you just mount them? I was like, no. How the fuck you want me to do that? Run it down the wall and shit? No, I don't do that. So anyways, 3 wireless thermostat kits. Usually they're pretty good, but I've had them before where they have connection issues or just a lot of the dumb bullshit. So hopefully these all work out good. But yeah, I don't know. That's for another day. I'm going home. Have a great day. Bye.